welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health news. On 26 November 2021, WHO designated the variant B.1.1.529 a variant of concern named Omicron. It is not yet clear whether Omicron is more transmissible compared to other variants including Delta. The number of people testing positive has risen in areas of South Africa affected by this variant, but epidemiologic studies are underway to understand if it is because of Omicron or other factors. There is currently no information to suggest that symptoms associated with Omicron are different from those from other variants. Initial reported infections were among university students, younger individuals who tend to have more mild disease, but understanding the level of severity of the Omicron variant will take days to several weeks. All variants of COVID-19, including the Delta variant that is dominant worldwide, can cause severe disease or death, in particular for the most vulnerable people, and thus prevention is always key. Effectiveness of prior SARS-CoV-2 infection. Primarily, evidence suggests there may be an increased risk of reinfection with Omicron. That is, people who have previously had COVID-19 could become reinfected more easily with Omicron as compared to the other variants of concern, but information is still limited. Effectiveness of vaccines. WHO is working with technical partners to understand the potential impact of this variant on our existing countermeasures, including vaccines. Vaccines remain critical to reducing severe disease and death, including against the dominant circulating variant Delta. Current vaccines remain effective against severe disease and death. Effectiveness of current treatments. Corticosteroids and IL-6 receptor blockers will still be effective for managing patients with severe COVID-19. Other treatments will be assessed to see if they are still as effective given the changes to paths of the virus in the Omicron variant. Recommended actions for countries. As Omicron has been designated a variant of concern, there are several actions WHO recommends countries to undertake, including enhancing surveillance and sequencing of cases. Countries should continue to implement effective public health measures to reduce COVID-19 circulation overall, using a risk analysis and science-based approach. They should increase some public health and medical capacities to manage an increase in cases. Recommended actions for people. The most effective steps individuals can take to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus is to keep a physical distance of at least 1 meter from others, wear a well-fitting mask, open windows to improve ventilation, avoid poorly ventilated or crowded spaces, keep your hands clean, cough or sneeze into a bent elbow or tissue, and get vaccinated when it's their turn. That's all for today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.